Okay, on this last one, this last example, we're gonna take 234 thousandths and write that as a fraction. That's 234 1,000ths. That's how we would write that. You do have to put that in lowest terms. I am going to divide both by a 2. That's 117 over 500. If I could reduce those further, I would. 500, it's even. It's divisible by 2, but 117 isn't. 117 is divisible by 3, but 500 isn't. 500 is divisible by 6, but the top isn't. So really, I'm looking at that. That's as simplified as it gets. So I just leave it. Now, 3/8 as a decimal, that can be 3 divided by 8, like this. And I can put a 0 there afterwards, 0.0. And I can say, oh, well, 8 goes into, and that comes up right there. 8 goes into 30. 3 times, that's a 24. Subtract, that's 6. Can bring down another 0. 3 times goes into 60, or 8 goes into 60 7 times. That's 56. Subtract, that's 4. Bring down another 0. 40. 8 goes into 40 5 times. And that works through there. So 3/8 as a decimal is 375 1,000ths. I'm going to say you should know a half is 0.5. You should know 1/4 is 0.25. 3/4 is 0.75. A third is 0.3 repeating. 2/3 is 0.6 repeating. 1/8 is 0.125. 2/8 is 1/4. 3/8 is 0.375. 4/8 is a half, so that's already there. 5/8 is 0.625. 6/8 is 3/4. 7/8 is 0.875. 1/9, the ninths are really nice. 1/9 is 0.1 repeating. 2/9 is 0.2 repeating. 3/9 is 0.3 repeating. It's also 1/3. 4/9 is 0.4 repeating. 5/9, 0.5 repeating. 6/9 is 0.6 repeating, or 2/3. 7/9 is 0.7 repeating. 8/9 is 0.8 repeating. Those are probably the big ones that you will see. There are some that come up pretty common. 1/6 is 0.13 repeating. There's like 2/6 is 1/3. Actually, this is 0.16 repeating. Sorry. 16ths come up once in a while, but those aren't the super common ones. It's definitely the half, fourths, thirds, and eighths. You should definitely commit those to memory. It will make things a lot easier for you if you do.